Good afternoon, Ash. How are you? How is the day been today?
Good, Shiva. How are you?
Good,
Good.
Ash.
My day was okay. Was
That's good. Nice to know that. And thanks for giving me the opportunity to conduct the online session for the three learners from from three different places. And it
Mhm.
was like we had a good feedback from them, and it was a bit of learning curve for me to have to access the different types of tools from the internet. And and it's been pleasure to to join those people in online sessions. And yeah, that's good. Thanks very much for the opportunity. And just I'm attending the meeting, like as you mentioned to, we'll have a feedback go through around for the session what we have done.
Yeah, that's okay, Shiva. That's all good. So what I will do is then now you've got everything what you need. I'll start asking you some questions. If you can just answer them briefly, and then we'll take it from there.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, I'll do that.
So so yeah. So how was so what was the feedback did you receive from the learners?
The overall feedback from the learners was like it was positive, and all the
Mhm.
assessment which have been conducted in all the three sessions, everyone went well, and everyone
Mhm.
was competent, and everyone passed, and everyone been notified. And the only the feedback which have been received from the learners was like the sessions were a bit lengthy, and
Okay.
and the learner two and the learner three, like Harry and the others were a bit slow in like because I think because of the different background from when compared to the tasks which have been given. But
Hmm.
I made them to have the engaged in the activity, and then they got to them and they had the research plan done, and they have submitted like for the links which we have been given to them. And yeah, overall the feedback was good, and everyone was happy and they enjoyed the time in the sessions.
That's good. That's good. So, did you identify any areas of improvement for your most recent delivery?
Yeah, in the like this was my first online delivery as per the plan. And in this session, like I think I need to make my sessions chunks in different chunks and a bit of breaks for the learners, and
Hmm.
makes the learners to be engaged in the like in a proper way, like to relate to their experiences, so that the understanding will be more enough for them, and that
Yeah.
makes more sense to them what we are teaching. So that was the improvement I wanted to make, and then maybe I might like I might need to send some of the information beforehand regarding
Hmm.
the how to use the online tools, and regarding the sessions what's gonna be like
Hmm.
the handouts for the presentations, or maybe steps to how to access the activity, so that
Yeah.
makes more easy for them.
That's good. That's good. So, what do you think you did really well, Shiva?
The really well was the creating of the activities using the Google Docs and Google Forms, and
Hmm.
using other platforms like SurveyMonkey and everything. And then after that, when the learners submitted their activity, and then we can see lively, like from our side, sitting at home, we can see in the internet browser like what they are typing and how and what was their answers, and that was the best part. And the sessions which I planned, like the first session was like what are the internet browsers and the internet search bars and the search engines, and then
Hmm.
relating them to the second session, like what are the what how to make a research plan using the search terms and search operators. So that was the best part which I've been in this session.
So, is there any? How do you plan to implement all these changes to your delivery, Shiva?
I will firstly I'll make the sessions to different, like I might make like 15 minute session with a 5 minutes break,
Yeah.
and make the like first part with the internet browsers for 15 minutes, and the search engines for 15 minutes. So I'll give enough time for them as an activity to get around the things. And then in the second session I'll give the search terms for 15 minutes, and then 5 minutes for the researching, and then to
Yeah.
create a research plan in the fourth session. I think that's how we did it in the previous session, but I need to include some more time so that it will be more viable for the people who is learning the new things.
No, absolutely. That will definitely enhance their learning. Shiva, is there anything you I can do to help you to improve your delivery, Shiva?
No, your support was very good, and thanks very much for giving me all the accesses and in time. And
Yeah.
yeah, like as you support me always, like this was my first online session, and I've did my best, hoping
Yeah.
that. And thanks very much for your time, and thanks for the feedback from your side. And just let me know if I need to make any improvements for the future or the next delivery.
Sure, no problems at all. Good luck with everything, Shiva. You have done well, really
Mm.
well. Thank you.
Thanks very much. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks.